Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD Tutor, another video of Autocad. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how Xref work in Autocad. As you can see on the screen, we have some floor plan. First floor plan, ground floor plan. First let me tell you how Xref work in Autocad and for what purpose we use Xref. For this, you need to go to Insert tab. Under Reference, there's a Attach option, or you can simply type Xref from your keyboard and press enter. After that, a pop-up will be opened like this. Here are few options you should know about this. First of attach, you can attach multiple files type just like DWG, image, DWF, DGN and PDF file also. So we'll see using DWG, AutoCAD file. DWG, it is an extension of CAD file, and also there's an extension DGN. So let us assume that you are working on a floor plan, but you need another user to work on it. For example, you are working on the floor plan for the basic structure, and someone need to do with the interior or some other parts floor plan. The drawing is already exists in my desktop. I'm going to a new one right here. See, there's no object in my screen. So what I need to do, if already someone working on that floor plan for another purpose and I want to do some another work. So what should I do? Type Xref from your keyboard, press enter, and from this dialog box you just click on attach DWG. While you attach DWG, a dialog box will open. Define the floor plan or the reference plan and select open. You will see some options there. There's a preview, attach, scale, full path, specify on screen for rotation, insertion point, specify on screen. There are the few points you can define here, or you can choose specify on screen, right? So what should I do? Just click OK. Click where you want to put this drawing, and you can see this is not the AutoCAD object right now. We can use this drawing for our reference. As example, I'm going to add some columns. As I'm adding some columns, and you can see right. Bring it to front. So my column is placed, and you can copy where you want to locate that column. So I just placed my column, and for reference I am making this rectangle so that end user can merge this file with the original one. And just after your drawing, you can just simply go to the uploaded file here and right click on it and say deattach, right? And your file is ready for the column placement. There are also option if you want to merge the file, and you can save as your file for your future reference. So just click here and say bind. Click on bind and press OK. And you can see now the reference file is our object in this file, and you can hold the file. Go to back by making few under steps, and here what we can do more with this reference drawing. First, you can load again. If end user made any changes, you can see here. For example, in the bedroom, see there's nothing, and I draw this file, this object, for identification whether it is loaded or not. But you need to save this file and then go to drawing, click on drawing and say reload. And you can see the object is created, right? So this works between the user in a single organization or from another place to another one. Okay, if you want to share your file with someone who can help you to make your drawing, and there's also many options there. This is all about the Xref and AutoCAD. You can also maintain layer. Thank you for watching this video.